Hello everyone, this is Keap Javed welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to add Salesforce contacts from new Infusionsoft contacts automatically, right? So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you opt this method that I am about to tell you, it will surely improve your relationship with your customers and it will improve your sales and your profits. How? Let me tell you. So guys, what happens generally is company uses CRM or customer relationship management applications to interact with their customers and leads and to streamline their sales, right? So many company uses many different CRM applications and some companies uses 2 or 3 CRM applications together so that they can use the features of different CRM applications together, right? So suppose that you are using 2 CRM applications here. That one is Keap or Infusionsoft and other one is Salesforce. Okay, so you want to use the features of both of these CRM applications to interact with your customers, right? So whenever you got a new lead or a new customer, you add that lead here as a new contact in Keap application, right? Now you want to add that same customer or lead here as a new contact in Salesforce application too. Now to get this done, you have 2 ways. One is that whenever you got a new lead, you will add a contact here in Keap, then you will come to Salesforce and follow the same procedure, create a new contact here again on Salesforce. But if you are receiving hundreds of leads or customers on daily basis, this manual practice can consume a lot of your crucial time and it will reduce your productivity. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you add a new contact here in Keap application, the same contact will be delivered here in Salesforce and a new contact get created here in Salesforce automatically. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these 2 applications together such that whenever you create a new contact here in Keap, the same contact will be added here automatically in Salesforce also, right? And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between your Keap application and Salesforce is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here you can see I have opened my Keap dashboard, which is a CRM application. Okay, and here I'm managing my clients, my contacts like this. So we have the contact list here and the new leads and the new clients and the repeated clients. Okay, so here we are managing our customers and our leads together. And let me show you, this is Salesforce CRM. This is also a CRM application and it allows you to run campaigns for communication, and it allows you to create contacts here as well. You can see in this contacts list, and here you can mark here your marketing team, your sales team and your IT team can work together in this application and you can manage your customers very well here. So we want here that we want to use the features of both Keap CRM and Salesforce CRM together. So we want that whenever we create a new contact here in Keap application, the same contact will be listed here in Salesforce contact list also. Okay, so I would like to show you here that I'm going to create a contact here. Okay, I'm clicking on contacts, so I'm going to create a new contact here in my Keap application, and we will check if the same contact will be listed here in Salesforce CRM application as well or not. So I'm going to click here on add a contact option, and here I am going to fill the name as let's say Harsha. So this is our lead or client or anyone we can choose. So let me give her a tag of a client. Okay, and work email, so let me fill the email. Okay, so I filled the name and the company's name, and here it is asking for the phone number, so you can enter the phone number. So I have added a work email, and it is asking for the links, the country, the zip code, the additional. So you can fill all other details here. For now, I am just filling these things, which is the name, the company name, and the email address, right? So let's enter the country also, right? Now I'm just clicking on save here. Okay, so you can see a new contact is added here in our Keap application. Okay, here it is, and it is a client here. We have added a new client or contact, right? Now let's check in Salesforce if the same contact will be listed here in this contact list. So you can see in this contact list we have added a new contact already as a Yadav Harsha. Okay, so when I click on it, you will see it will show you all the details that we have filled in my Keap application. Okay, the name, the department, the work email. Okay, so these are the things which we have added here in Keap, and this these things are also showing here in Salesforce CRM application. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring the data of this person here just by just by adding a new contact here in Keap, and that contact got automatically delivered here in Salesforce CRM as well. So if you are creating hundreds of contact daily on Keap application, this is going to help you a lot. It will save your time a lot, because the contacts will be delivered on the Salesforce CRM application automatically. You need not to make a new contact here and repeat the steps. You just have to fill the details here, create a contact here, and it will be delivered automatically in Salesforce application as well. So you can also make this automation, and let me tell you how you can also do this by very simple steps. So guys, it might look like a simple task now, but if you are receiving the details of hundreds of leads on daily basis, so adding those leads here in first in Keap application, then copy pasting the data here in Salesforce again to create contacts here, can consume a lot of your time and energy. So this process, this automation is going to help you a lot. If you automate this process, it will save your time and energy. So you can also make this automation, and let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this connection between Keap application and Salesforce. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Keap application and Salesforce. Okay, so step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Keap or Infusionsoft. Okay, so first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Keap CRM with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Keap in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data of a new contact created here in Keap and bring the data of the contact here in Pabbly Connect. And in step 3, we'll send the same data to Salesforce to create a new contact. Okay, so now the data of the person we have collected here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send that data to Salesforce to create a new contact here in Salesforce, right? So let's do this. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type for Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to come to this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now from this all apps section of Pabbly, you have to come here on Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here, you have to create a workflow. So to create a workflow like this, you have to click here on create workflow button. And here you have to give any relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as create contact in Salesforce CRM from Keap's new contact. Okay. Now click on create here and you will see your workflow getting created. And as a workflow get created, you will find these two things here, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. All right, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new contact in Keap CRM, and the action would be is to add that same contact here in Salesforce CRM as well. Okay. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Keap. Okay, this one Infusionsoft by Keap. And in this trigger event, you have to click here and select this new contact option. Then click on connect. And from this window, select this add new connection and then click on connect with Infusionsoft. Okay. So from this window it will, okay, so I have logged out from Keap, so let me log in here. Okay, after that it will ask for a few accesses, which is completely safe. So here you have to click on allow and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected with Keap application, right? Now when I click here on save and send test request, you will see it will start showing like this, waiting for the response. So here you have to do a test submission, or you have to create a demo contact here in Keap application so that you can capture the data of that contact here in Pabbly Connect. So let us make a new contact in Keap application. I'm clicking on add a contact, and here am I entering the name as, let's say, Yamini. Okay, and the work email. So let me fill the details quickly. Okay, so I have filled the details like this, the name, the phone number and the email address. So you can add more details by clicking on show more fields. So it will show you all these fields also, the links, the facts, the billing address. Okay, so if you add more information, you can add more information. For now I am just adding these details and clicking on save here. Okay, so you can see a new contact Yamini Singh is created here in Keap application. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the data is here. So you can see it started showing this data. It's showing that event key is contact.added. So it is showing on that a new contact is added in Keap application, but it is not showing the whole data that we have entered in the contact, right? So to bring the contact details here, you have to click here on this action window, and from this application choose app, you have to choose Keap again. Okay, and now in action event you have to select this option. Let me show you, retrieve a contact, this one. Then click on connect, and from this window you can add new connection or select existing connection. Because we have made a connection with Keap in the first step, so you can use existing connection also. Okay, now it is asking for the contact ID. So here you have to map this contact ID that is showing up here, this object key ID 142. Okay, so let me map this thing here. So I'm clicking on this field, then click on Infusionsoft option and click on this ID field, ID label here, right? So the contact ID is mapped. Now click on save and send test request, and now here you can see it started showing the details of the. So to bring the details of this contact here in Pabbly Connect, you have to click here on this plus icon and you have to choose your application from this choose app, Keap again. Okay, and now in this action event you have to select this option, which is this retrieve a contact. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window you can choose add new connection, or you can choose existing connection option also, as we have connected with Keap in the first step. So you can choose existing connection and just click on save and you will be connected quickly. And then it is asking for the contact's ID. So here you have to map the contact ID of this contact here, this object keys ID, this one. Okay, so click here on contact ID, then click on Infusionsoft and map this contact ID from here only, right? Then click on save and send test request. And now it will show you the details that we have filled in Keap application of our contact like this, right? Okay, so we got the data of the contact. Now the first two steps are completed, which is to connect with Keap and bring the data of new contact here. Now you have to click here on plus icon, and now we are going to create a new contact, which is this same contact in our Salesforce, right? So choose your application as Salesforce. Okay, this is Salesforce. And now in this action event, you have to select create contact option. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Salesforce. Okay. So from this window, it will ask for a few accesses. Okay, so you can see it is asking the permission to create a contact there. So click on allow here. And you can see the authorization is successful and started showing connected. Now it is asking for these details here to create a contact in Salesforce. So you have to map the details of this person whose data we have collected here in this second step, right? So click on this last name field and then click on this second Infusionsoft option where we have retrieved the contact like this. And here you will find the last name of the person, which is which is this. Then follow the same process to map the first name also. This is first name. Okay, so we do not have the data of these things, the country or all other things. We did not enter such things here. And so but we have the mobile number. Let me see the mobile number. Okay, so we have the mobile number and also the email address. Let me map that too. Okay, right. And in the department, you can map the name of the company if you have. So this is the name of the company, right? And okay, so we mapped all the details that is available with us in the second step. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and this data will be delivered in our Salesforce. A new contact will be added there, right here in Salesforce in this contacts list. So let me go here in Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request. And you can see it started showing this ID and saying success. Right now, let's check the contacts list in Salesforce and let me refresh this list. Okay, and you can see a new contact is added here saying Yamini. Let me open this and it is showing all the details that we have mapped in Pabbly Connect, the department, the email address, the phone number, and all the details that we have entered here. Right now, so the connection with Salesforce is working fine. So the workflow is completed. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we connected Keap or Infusionsoft application. Okay, then we connected it and we captured the response, which shows that a new contact is added in Keap, but it did not show us the details of the contact. So to got the details, we connected Keap application again and retrieve a contact to get the details like this. Okay. After that, in another action window, we connected Salesforce to send this same data as a new contact in Salesforce. So we mapped the details that we have. And when I click here on save and send test request, this one, you have seen that a new contact is automatically added here, right? Now you just click on save. Okay. So the workflow is completed. And let me tell you one more important thing, that you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.